Hello everyone, in this video we are going to look at how to create your own WireGuard server. So in this tutorial I'll be using Google Cloud to create my server. You can use any other cloud provider or some of the ones that provide free servers that I have shared with you previously on this channel. You can check the link in the description. So I'll just go to create a virtual machine, then I'll continue to specify the details. So the name, I'm going to call it WireGuard demo, just WireGuard. Then I'll choose US Central 1 as the region. Then the zone, I leave it as it is. I just want a small virtual machine. Then I just use custom shared core 1 vCPU, and I just use 4 GB of RAM. Then OS and storage, I want to use Ubuntu. Then the version must be at least 2022.04 LTS. If you use 20.04, you won't be able to install WireGuard. So let me choose this one. Okay, then I'll just get a standard persistent disk and 10 GB as the size. Select that. Then I create my virtual machine. I wait a few seconds for it to finish. Now that my virtual machine is ready, I click on SSH to connect to it. We use just this in browser SSH client. If you are on your phone and you don't want to use the in browser SSH client, there are different other ways that you can use to connect to a VPS server. So this is one of the ways. You just connect it to it. If you are using Google Cloud, you can use the SSH in browser. Another way is to use your terminal, whereby you just type SSH, type the username at your host address. So mine, I have a server running at wire.eugenetech.com. Then you enter your server password and you'll be in just like this. Now to connect from your phone, whether it is Android or iOS, you just have to install this app called Damias. Open it, then go to the side, click on hosts, and then click on the plus down here to add a new host. Click on new host, enter the alias, which will be the name we want to give it. You can just call it my host. Then the host name or IP address, I have my server running at wire.eugenetech.com. You can also put the IP address of the server, for example the one that is here. So the external IP is the IP that you use. Then enter the username for your server, and then enter your server password. Click on the tick in the top right here to save the host. Now once your host is saved, click on it to connect. So this will start the connection to your server. And now you are logged into the server, and you see from here you can start running the commands as we are going to run. So the rest of the steps will be similar whether you are using your phone or your computer. To install WireGuard, we have to be running as the root user. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. So to get root access, if you are not logged in as root, you have to do sudo. Maybe you can do sudo su, and then you can type cd to go to the home directory of the root user. Now once we are on the home directory of the root user, I'm going to open my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Then you will copy this shell script here. Click on copy. Once you copy it, come back to your terminal and right click and paste it. If you are using the phone, just long press anywhere in the terminal, and then you see options to paste. So I paste my script here, then I press enter. Now it will ask me that this server is behind a NAT. What is the public IP address of the server or the host name. So this, it will not ask it for each kind of server. I've only seen it on Google Cloud servers. If you are using any other kind of server, this step will not be shown. Don't worry. So this is my IP address. I just right click and copy it. Then I just copy paste it here. They just want to confirm that this is the actual IP of the server. Then press enter. Then the WireGuard port, you can put any port in this range from 0 to that, from 6555555. So just choose a port. Maybe let me choose 9301. Press enter. Then click enter the name of the first client that will be on this server. Just enter my name. Then the DNS resolver, you can use any of the DNS providers here. If you don't want ads to show while you are browsing, use AdCard. So I'm going to use Google. Then press any key to resume the installation of WireGuard. And once the installation is complete, you will get the QR code that you can scan and input in your client app. Open WireGuard on your phone. Then click on the plus down here. Click import, scan QR code. Then come and scan this QR code that is there. Then give a name to your tunnel. You can just call it any. Then create tunnel. Now you can connect the tunnel to see if it is actually working. And you see, yeah, it is working. You can go to myip.com to check if your tunnel is actually active and connecting to the right IP. Let me check from here, myip.com, and we see, since my IP address now matches the IP of my server, WireGuard is successfully connected. Now, if you want to connect WireGuard from your computer, there's also a method for that, and I will show that in my next video. Check the link, it will be in the description. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, click that subscribe button, and if you found this video helpful, leave a like.